Racing just is started. We have Knockout Babe moving a party outside his Spanish drums. Ale Ale, big time. Preciosa comes next. Tiger Wood on the outside comes GI. Is Speedball and going along for the first turn. Big time is Spanish drums is on the outside. Knockout Babe in the middle. Ale Ale comes next. Preciosa, Tiger Wood, while GI is Speedball still racing in less half mile distance. They traveled with Spanish drums, more length any half, and in second comes Alele. Big time comes next alongside fourth comes Knockout Babe. Preciosa, Tirewood, while GI Speedball is still racing in less than a fourth turn. His Spanish drums, Ale Ale, Knockout Babe, big time, Preciosa, Tigerwood, GI Speedball still racing in seventh with 4 entries. Body route for the Ale Ale, big time, Knockout Babe, his Spanish drums, Tigerwood now coming closer. Preciosa is on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. A big time, Tigerwood is not on the inside, but it's still big time, followed by Tigerwood in second, and finally it's going to be big time Tigerwood. Then comes Ale Ale, Knockout Baby, Spanish drums, Preciosa, and GI Speedball.